Hello, welcome to Lesson 1.7, Real-World Applications for Function Rules. Today what we're going to do is take our function rules that we've been working on for the last couple of days and we're going to apply them to real-life problem situations. For our first application, we're going to look at purchasing a pizza from a pizza restaurant. Our problem reads, the pizza place charges $6 for each cheese pizza and an additional $1 for each topping. What is the cost of a pizza with a certain number of toppings? We'll start by looking at our information. We know that a pizza is going to cost $6 and each additional one is going to be $1. That means this is going to be what's causing change. We get 3 toppings, costs $3. We get 5 toppings, costs $5 additional dollars. Okay, so we have our information here. We know to buy a pizza will cost us $6 plus we have this pattern growing here, $1 for each topping, or 1 times n, where n is the number of toppings. Now before we finish writing this equation, let's look at our variables. Our independent variable here is going to be the number of toppings, because that's what's changing, causing change with the total cost. And our dependent then will just be the total cost. Okay, so we have $6 a pizza, $1 for each topping. We have our expression, 6 plus 1 times n. That means $6 for the pizza, $1 for each topping, and that's going to total, we'll call it y for the total cost. I'll put over here y, and this will be n. So now to continue, our function rules, what we wrote a minute ago, 6 plus 1 times n equals y, n being the number of toppings, y being the total cost. And what that means for the real world is if you want to buy, say, a pizza with 3 meats or 3 toppings, that would cost us $6 plus 3 times 1, or $9. If we want one with 5 toppings, that would cost us $6 plus 5 times 1, or $11. For our next example, we'll go to the amusement park. This one reads, Math Flags Amusement Park charges a $10 admission fee and then an extra $2 for every ride you go on. How much does it cost to go on a certain number of rides? Well, again, we'll take a look at what we have. We know that it's going to cost us $10. We know $10 is the base fee, no matter what, 10 bucks. Then, kind of following the pattern we did the other day in 1.6, we will pay $2 for each ride we go on, and it's going to repeat over and over and over as much as we ride. We have that repeated addition, so instead of doing that, what we'll do is multiply 2 times the x, we'll call x being the number of rides. So we'll come up with an expression 10 plus 2 times x, $10 plus $2 for every ride. And we'll make that equal to y, the total cost. So now we know to go to the amusement park and ride, it's going to cost us $10 plus $2 for every ride. That means if we decide to ride 8 rides, we will have 10 plus 2 times 8, or 10 plus 16. So it'll cost us $26 for 8 rides. If we decide to go nuts and go 15 rides, it'll cost us a total of 10 plus 2 times 15, which is 30. So $40 for 15 rides. Well, that'll do it for us today. Told you it was a quick one. Make sure you have a question of the day when you come to class. It's always important that you have something to ask, or that if there's anything you need to clarify or something that you can discuss with your classmates. Until then, have a nice time.